Hey everybody, it's Bishop Barron. I'm so happy to be able to greet all those gathered for this conference of youth ministers. Gosh, I believe in what you're doing. It's so indispensably important. You know, I do a lot of work with this whole question of disaffiliation. Why are people leaving the church? When do they leave? I'll tell you when they leave. It's younger and younger. They leave at the age of the kids that you're dealing with. So I think you are in the front lines of this great battle in some ways for the soul of the church and the soul of these young kids. And so, gosh, I believe in the importance of what you're doing. Here's one little reflection I have. I came across this some years ago. It was one of those kind of analyses or surveys of young people. And the young people said, what gets their interest in religion is when the leaders present it in a way that is intellectually stimulating, and where it's clear that it means a lot to them personally. And I was just struck by that. They said, we don't need gimmicks so much, to make it relevant. We need to see, boy, this person really knows a lot about what she's saying, and she believes it. It makes a difference in her life. So I'd encourage you maybe to, I know you do it, but keep internalizing those two great values. And know that you're involved in one of the most important, and I'm not just saying this to, puff you up today, one of the most important ministries in the life of the church today. So know that I pray for you. I do. This issue is one that I feel so strongly about. So I pray for all of you who are on the front lines of it. And know that I bless you and send the best wishes of my heart to you today. God bless you all.